So the 369 portal is open. So abundance, restoration, receiving, the Tesla manifesting. We are going to call in magic today. Also, you'll be noticing that your senses are really expanding. I just did a quantum energy healing with a 4-year-old and he communicated with me telepathically all the way through. It was the most profound experience I've ever had. The strongest communication I've ever had. We are transforming. So today we're really going to embody those energies. Activate your Vesica Pisces, then your Merkaba. My Merkis course can help you. £55, you just learn it at home so that you can keep bringing yourself into zero point, into the present moment, which is so divinely important right now. So I go out and see this guy at night, and last night it was Corvus, Centaurus and Virgo that wanted my attention, which so divinely orchestrated to match what is happening today. So we're going to pause, we're going to attune, and we're going to receive today. 3 is for creation, 6 is for harmony, and 9 is for divine completion. We're being invited into something so much deeper than we've ever known. A restoration of rhythm, worthiness, and remembrance. It's very exciting. So Corvus is the messenger of truth. Something you can say, help me realise the last threads of hiding. Let my voice be clear, let my heart be real. I no longer fear being seen in my softness. Centaurus is the wounded healer rising. Thank you for reminding me that I am whole. Even here, even now, I hold the light. My wound has become wisdom. The cycle is complete. And Virgo is the earth priestess of sacred service. So bringing order to your chaos, to your softness, to your steps. Thank you for helping me embody what I came here to share. With grace, with reverence, and with rest, I'm allowed to be safe. I'm allowed to be supported. I'm allowed to receive. I attune to the energies of the 369 portal. I place my body in the arms of the stars. And I trust the new day unfolding, forming around me, through me, as me. I open to the abundance that was always mine. I let it flow, and so it is. Have an absolutely stunning day. If you want my help, do get in touch. I've got 20-minute quantum healing sessions or 40 minutes. They are getting more and more powerful every day. It's so lovely. Have a stunning day. Namaste. Bye.